How to show hidden files and folders in Windows. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide or tutorial in order to do so. So let's get started. So for that, what we can do is we can open up our File Explorer, and once we open it up, we can go for the View option in the top of our screen and go ahead and click on it. And there, just go over and go for this option called Show and select the option for hidden items and ensure this option is checked, and it will now appear slightly faded on your screen. You can just go and check it out. Also, you can just go over and look out for the Show System Files option, look out for the three-dot option and click on it, and look out for the option called Options. And here, if there's an option called Hide Protected Operating System Files, if you can just go over and uncheck it. After that, click on yes and confirm it up and click on OK. And be careful, do not delete the system files while doing so. And that's it, everybody. Those two are probably the methods in order to follow up if you want to show hidden files and folders. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.